guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all well. In today's video, oh my goodness, I feel like you and I have been waiting for this video for so long. So today is actually transforming my makeup room. For those of you that don't know, Ali and I recently bought our house, which is amazing, and a lot of things have changed in my life. I've stopped doing clients, I've left the makeup studio, so I really wanted to create my absolute dream makeup room, and this is the first time I'm ever filming in this room and I'm absolutely obsessed. This is such a dream come true, and I thought I'd just film the whole process and taking you guys along with me. There's so many things that I want to change still, and so many things that I want to improve. I want to make it bigger, I want to make it better, I want to make it more extravagant. Those are things that I can do slowly, and I can slowly turn this into my dream makeup room. My videos are going to look 100 times better, and I hope you guys love this room as much as I do. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and leave me a lovely little comment in the comment section below. And if you want to see how I transformed my dream makeup room, then keep on watching. So guys, this is pretty much the empty makeup room. I've just given it the once over with the hoover. I've still got some bits on the shelf there. This is actually full of makeup. It's too heavy for me to move on my own. But basically my storage is going all across this wall. There's a little bit of a gap on this side just so I can access that plug still. But it's all going along this wall, all the makeup storage. So I'm really excited. I can't wait for it to come today. I can't wait to start building. All my stuff is actually in Ali's man room, which is a bit chaotic at the minute. So yeah, I'm gonna be building makeup storage. I can just see it now. Can't wait. All right guys, so the PAX stuff is here. This is only one box of one of the frames. I've gone for 375s. All the other boxes are downstairs. I thought it'd be better if I just leave them downstairs and do one box at a time in here. Build the frames first, build the drawers, attach it all to the wall and get it full. That way it don't get too overcrowded in here because there is a lot of boxes. So let's go. So guys, over the past week, I've actually built these two frames. I went for 75 centimetre frames, so I've got actually 3. I've got one more to do. And it actually works out perfect with the measurements of my wall because I still have access to this plug. There's like a little bit of a gap here. So I've got another one of these to build, and then I think I've got about 21 drawers and 3 shelves. So super exciting. Can't wait to finish it off. So this week's just been a bit mad in general, just because of the amount of like work that I've had to do, deadlines and stuff like that. But this weekend I've completely finished all my work for the week, and I have actually cleared my diary, everything that I needed to do. That's what we're going to do today. We're going to crack on, and I am going to get this room finished. I actually need to fix it to the wall, but I think I'm going to do that on Monday or Tuesday, I think. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be doing that on like Monday, Tuesday, I think. And then I can finish the room as I go. Alright guys, so third frame is in. I'm so excited. Do you know what I mean by down here where I said I've left a little bit of a gap so that I can still get to that plug? That is just something to consider if you are getting the PAX storage, because if you have any plugs and stuff, you need to make sure that you can still reach them if you want to. Up here, I've also got the shorter PAX ones. I didn't get the ones that reach all the way up to the ceiling because I want to put some like wicker storage baskets up here. So I'm going to see if I can try and find some next week, you know, just to store things away. But let's build all the drawers. Good morning guys. So today is Wednesday, I think. So I've been doing this makeup room for a long time. I did it all weekend, and last night I finally finished sort of the storage. So I'm going to show you that, and then I'm going to show you what needs to be done today. Honestly, I'm obsessed. So this is my makeup storage. storage. I'm obsessed. I can't wait to fill this today. This is going to get all filled with makeup. So I've obviously got 3 of the blocked out drawers at the bottom, 3 glass drawers, and then I have these little tray inserts here, which is going to have like all my powders in and stuff like that. Oh guys, I'm actually obsessed. And then up here I'm having like displays and stuff, and also I'm putting some strip lights up here as well, so all this is lit up, especially under here because it's a little bit dark, so I'm going to get all that lit up as well. I am so incredibly happy with it. Over here, these drawers are currently where all my makeup is stored. Well, some of it anyway. So all that is going in there. These drawers are going in the garage for all my tools and my screws and stuff. And then I'm having like a table here, like a black console table with some decorative bits, which I need to do today because that is going to be sort of like my second filming background, just along this bit here, just so I've got like multiple areas to film in this room. So that's going there. Spin you around, there's all my tools on the floor and hoover as well. But here is going to be my desk, my chair, my sort of like filming setup. I need to hoover up all these little carpet bits as well. But yeah, like my desk and everything is going in this corner. There's still stuff on the windowsill here, which needs putting in the makeup storage. But yeah, honestly, so excited to fill it today. I actually can't wait. And what I love about this storage as well is that it's literally so big. When I get PR stuff now, I find that I'm shoving it into drawers and that nothing fits. It's complete chaos. Whereas this is just going to give me so much room for more things to come in. More excuses for hauls, I won't lie. But it's just going to mean that everything's going to have a place. It's going to be organised. And I don't know if I've mentioned this on the vlog yet, but the reason I wanted this storage as well is to stop me using a makeup bag, because I find that when I use a makeup bag, I tend to use the same products every time I do my makeup, and that is so boring. Whereas this will encourage me to like shop my collection more and use different products and show you guys different things. And yeah, I'm really excited. So we're going to fill this today. We're going to build the table. We're going to get it all looking amazing. I can't wait. I am also watching The Crown season 4. Love this season of The Crown. I think it's my favourite yet. And yeah, so I'm going to watch The Crown. I'm going to get all these lights fitted, and then I'm going to start filling these drawers. So it's 2 days later since I last checked in with you about the makeup room. Wow, I've literally done so much since my last clip, but there's still more to do. I'm feeling like today I am going to get it finished off in a way. It's definitely not how I want it to be yet. So even by the end of this video, it's not going to be how I want it to be because I need to buy more things. But I'm loving how it's looking so far, so I'm going to show you. So I have managed to do most of the storage. These 2 drawers down here are actually not even full. I don't have enough makeup. All my palettes are in these covered ones here because I felt like I couldn't get a nice display on the front. Can you see like how my foundation section has like a nice display? The lipsticks has a nice display. I couldn't get my palettes to look sort of like nice in this bit, so this is going to get filled with other things, which is amazing. I am going to do a full video talking through all of this, sort of like a makeup collection one, maybe in the near future, maybe like next month or something like that. Then I have this section here, so if I just step back, there's stuff all over the floor, guys. I need to hoover. This is a little filming area. So I did want 2 filming sections of the room. So this is going to be where I film my hauls and all stuff like that. It's sort of like not a makeup tutorial. I'm feeling like I will film my makeup tutorials on this back wall here. Those drawers are being moved, by the way. They're not staying there. I think I'm going to put them in the garage, but my desk that I'm going to build today is going to go here. To be honest, the desk that I have is from my old office, and I think it might be a little bit too big for this room because I do actually like how spacious this room is. So I do feel like it's going to be a bit too big and I might get a smaller one, but it'll do for now. So I need to build that today. That's in the garage, and I'm sick of building furniture. But yeah, I'm gonna do that today, and then hopefully, like, I want some new lighting, I want a nice radiator cover, I want something nice on the windowsill, I want some more filming equipment, I want some more bits for this side table. So it's not exactly, and also I also want some more stuff for up here, because obviously, like, I've got my perfumes there, but I hate the way that looks. I need like another vase here and some books and whatever. I kind of like this P. Louise bit here, so I think I'm going to keep that how it is. And then my brushes are just chucked up there. Obviously they'll be going on the desk, but I need some inspo on up here, and I also need some like white stickers to go here. I did also buy some lights to go all underneath here, but they don't work, so that's amazing. So yeah, I need to brainstorm this, but I feel like it might be better sorting that bit out when lockdown is over, because then I feel like I can actually see things in person. So I'm going to build this desk now, tidy this room up a bit, get it looking amazing, and then I will catch up with you for the final reveal. Okay guys, so the makeup room is finally done. I can't wait to show it to you. So this is actually the smallest out of all our spare rooms. The reason I chose this room to be my makeup room was because I loved the lighting in here. Now, the good thing about this room is that we don't actually get direct sunlight, like proper direct sunlight in here, which is great for me doing makeup, because I feel like with direct sunlight it does mess with my lighting quite a lot. So I definitely wanted a room that was a bit more dull and to sort of like create my own lighting. And I'm really happy with the way this has all turned out. I think I'm gonna do another video. I don't even know if I mentioned this in the video, but I might do another video in like December or January or something like that, sort of like updating you on the makeup room, because obviously it's going to change so much, because obviously there's so much more that I want to do to it. I'm going to get on Pinterest this afternoon, I'm going to get planning, I'm going to get ordering, and yeah, I'm just going to do this room out. I'm so happy with it though. So here is my new makeup room. Alright guys, that is the end of the video. Before you leave, don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up button if you like this video, and leave me a lovely little comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!